Hi, champs. So welcome back again to all of you in the another Sunday live session. And today, in this stress series, we are going to make an application which will give a nature-friendly message. So in this application, a dragonfly will eat the insects, and as well as he will eat the insects, the size of the dragonfly will grow. And so for that reason, today's activity title is Grow a Dragonfly. So champs, let's see the blocks which we are going to use today in the activity. So as you can see on the screen, the following blocks we are going to use in the today's activity, which are if conditional blocks, sensing blocks, random blocks, operators blocks, and also the sounds for adding some sounds in the application. So champs, let's start the today's activity. And as the earlier, we are going to divide this activity into the two sections. The first one is the stage decoration, where we will decorate the stage with the help of the backdrop and the sprites. And the second one is the coding, where we will write the script in the script area on the Scratch editor. So first of all, just decorate your stage, and in the decoration of the stage, first of all, add the backdrop. So come on the Scratch editor, and you can click on the below link for coming on the Scratch editor. So if you are logged in, then you will be able to see this option for renaming your project. So if you are logged in, just rename your project from untitled some number to Grow a Dragonfly, which is the title of the today's activity. Yeah. And now after this, just delete this cat sprite, because we are not going to use this sprite in today's activity. So just click on this delete button for deleting any sprite. And for adding the backdrop, just take your cursor on this option, click on it, and you can choose any one of the backdrop which are available there. But here I'm choosing the Jurassic. You can choose this one also, and also any one of them. And now come on the slides, see the next step. Okay, and now we need to add the dragonfly. So just the dragonfly is the sprite. So just go to the sprite section, take your cursor on this option, just click on it, search the dragonfly in the search bar, and you can see this one. So click on it for adding it on the stage. Now come again on the slides. And now we need to add the insects. Okay. So come on the Scratch editor for adding insects as a sprite. First of all, click on this option. In the search bar, search the frog. So in the frog 2 sprite, there is a insect, and we will take only that insect. So first add this sprite, click on the costume section. And we are going to take only this insect. So delete the frog, and also delete the rest of the costumes, and just rename it to the insect A hyphen A. Yeah. Okay. And now add the one more insect, so it will look more realistic. So for adding the one more insect, click on this sprite, click on duplicate, click on the costumes and just change the color of their wings. Yeah. So now there are the two insects are there. Yeah. Come again on the slides and see the next step. Okay. So now we are done with the stage decoration part. And now we need to write the code by jointing the blocks together in the script area. And first of all, we are going to write the code for the Dragonfly. And as you see on the screen, we need to write the code for control the Dragonfly with the help of the mouse pointer. So just come on the Scratch editor and write the code for controlling the Dragonfly with the help of your mouse pointer. Click on the code section and we are going to write the code for the Dragonfly. So first of all, choose that sprite for which you are going to write the code. And now write the code for controlling this Dragonfly with your mouse pointer. So first of all, whenever we click on the flag icon, just set the small size of this Dragonfly around 20% or 25. Set size to 25%. Okay. So first check this block, it's working fine or not. Yeah. And now we need to write the code for controlling this Dragonfly with the help of our mouse pointer. So go to the motion section under the code tab. Okay. So just drag the point towards the mouse pointer block. Click on this block. Okay. And we need to perform this again and again. So go to the control section, drag the forward block and attach this block inside the point towards. Now you are able to see, I'm able to control the Dragonfly with the help of the mouse pointer. Now also write the code for moving some steps. So for this, go to the motion section, drag the move block, add 3 steps and just add this block below to the point towards. And now I'm able to control the Dragonfly with the help of the mouse pointer. So first stop it, attach this block below to the set size. Now click on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. As you are able to see, so that glitch is second problem, but the first problem is we are able to control the Dragonfly with the help of the mouse pointer, but it's not pointing towards their mouth is not pointing towards the mouse pointer. So first of all, stop this, go to the costume section, select all the elements of this Dragonfly. So first of all, come here, use the Control plus A shortcut key and just rotate it in the same direction as I'm doing on the screen. And now click again on the flag icon. And now it's pointing towards their mouth. Stop it, come again on the code side. And now we need to resolve that glitch. Okay. So just add a conditional block. Go to the control section, drag the if block, and if the distance is greater than 20 or 30, then only it will move. So for checking the distance, go to the sensing section, drag the distance block, go to the operator section for adding the comparison. So if the distance to mouse pointer is greater than 20, then only we need to perform all these things. Perhaps it will work. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. So let's see some other approach. So if not touching mouse point, only if not touching mouse point, then it will move. Let's see this one also. Okay. Okay. It's working fine, better than the last. Okay. And also set the layer of this dragonfly to the top. So go to the look section under the code tab and just drag the block with the name of go to front layer. So whenever I'm click on the flag icon, just set it to the front layer. Okay. So now we are done by writing the code. So we are able to control the dragonfly with the help of the mouse pointer. And not only this, whenever we click on the flag icon, means whenever we will start the program, the size of the dragonfly will be changed to the 25%, and also it will be on the front layer. So come again on the slides, see the next step. And now we need to write the code for the insects. And just read it. Whenever the insects will be eaten by the dragonfly, broadcast the message, some message, so that it can change our size. So whenever the insect will be eaten by the dragonfly, we need to broadcast a message. And whenever that message received by the dragonfly, it will change our size. So let's come on the Scratch editor and then write the code for the insects. So let's read again. We need to write the code for the insects. Whenever the insects will be eaten by the dragonfly, broadcast some message so that it can change our size. The dragonfly can change our size. So come on the Scratch editor, choose an insect, and the same code we will write for the another insect. So first of all, write the code for the insect. So we need to write the code whenever it will be eaten by the dragonfly, it need to broadcast a message. So go to the sensing section and just put a condition. So for adding the condition, go to the control blocks, drag the if block, and if the sprite, which is insect, touching to the dragonfly, then we need to hide it. Means so that it will look it is eaten by the dragonfly. Okay. After hiding, just wait some second and again show the same insect on some different random position. to change the position. So go to the motion section, drag the go to random position block, attach it below to the height. Now wait some second, go to the control section, drag the wait block, add a wait of 0.5 seconds. And now just show it again. So go to the look section, drag the show block, and that's it. But also, whenever it will be hide, we need to broadcast a message, as we will see in this slide. So go to the event section and drag the broadcast message one. And just click on the new message, write a message, whichever you want to broadcast. So after hiding, just broadcast the item. And whenever this message received by the Dragonfly sprite, okay, for this we need to add a sound. So I'm adding the air drops for just listening the sound, whichever we want to add. So whenever I receive eaten broadcast message, first just change the size of the Dragonfly. So initially the size of the Dragonfly is 25%. And whenever the Dragonfly will eat the insect, just change the size with the gap of 5. So go to the look section, drag the block with the name of change size 5. And also we need to add the sound. So go to the sound section, click on this option, and you can choose any sound. So here I'm adding the bite sound. You can choose also another one. If you want to change or remix the sound, you can do it here. Yeah. And now just add this sound whenever I receive the eaten message from the insect sprite. So for adding the sound, click on the sound section and play sound, start sound bite. So come again on the insect side, and we need to start this program whenever we click on the green flag. So just add an event. When we click on the flag click, we also need to move the insects. So go to the motion section, move some steps, and we need to move it again and again. So go to the control section, drag the forever block, and inside the forever block, just move some steps. And also for this, just add an event, which is when flag click. So now click on the flag icon and see the program is okay or not. Okay. So there is a problem. So whenever it will touch on the edge, as you're able to see on this stage, the white insect touch on the edge and now it will stop. So whenever it will touch on the edge, we need to bounce it. So just add this block, go to the motion section and drag this block, which is if on edge, then bounce. Under the forever section. Again, click on the flag icon. And we need to eat this insect. Oh, so like this, we are not able to catch it. So either decrease the step of the insect or increase the speed of the dragonfly. Why? Okay. Let's change the layer of this one also to the front one. To go to the look section. Drag the block with the name of go to front layer. Again, click on the flag icon and let's see. Why? Okay. So this particular block is not running as you're able to see. Okay. Let's see again. Yeah. So now as you're able to see, the size of the dragonfly is going to increase as I'm going to eat this insect. Yeah. Now we need to write the same code for the second sprite or the second insect also. So first delete this and copy the same code for the another insect. And for copying the same code from one sprite to another sprite, just drag the code and drop it in the sprite wherever you want to copy. That's it. And now the same copy, sorry. So now the same code is copied into the another sprite. So just check it by click on the flag icon. So now whenever the insect will be eaten by the dragonfly, the size of the dragonfly is going to increase and also the insect is going to hide and then it will be reappear on the random position. So now just add a one more threshold. Whenever the size of the dragonfly is going to the 100%, then just stop the game with a message. And the message is now my tummy is full. So just add a one more threshold. Okay. So for adding the size threshold, go to the dragonfly sprite. Go to the control section and there is a variable with the name of size under the look section. So we can compare the size with the help of this inbuilt variable. So go to the operator section for the comparison. And if the size is equal to 100, okay. So if the size is equal to 100, then just broadcast the message. So go to the event section, drag the broadcast. Yeah. So just create a new message, which is completed. Okay. So attach this block of code with the last one. And when the dragonfly will receive completed, it will stop to work and also it will say, now my tummy is full. So for seeing something, go to the look section, drag the save block, write the message inside the say, whichever you want to add. Okay. And also just stop all the things. So go to the control section for stopping the thing. and drag the block stop all. Click on the drop down arrow and stop other scripts in the sprite. Now copy the same code by dragging and drop into the insect 1 and the insect 2. So just drag the code and drop into the insect 1. Same way for the insect 2. And just modify it a little bit. Same for the insect 2. Okay. So now let's see the game by playing it. Click on the flag icon. Oh, the another insect is not coming. Why? It's on the hide mode. Yeah. So whenever we click on the flag, just show the spray because it will be in the hide mode perhaps. So do the same for the both insects. Click again. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be difficult. Yeah. So after when the size of the dragonfly is going to change to the 100, now it will say now my tummy is full and all the things is going to stop. So champs, that's it for today's session where we make the grow a dragonfly activity. And if you have any question regarding anything, you can ask us without any hesitation in the comment section. So thank you so much champ for attending the today's session. Let's see you in the next session. Bye. Thank you.